In the mood to do like a full beat snatched glam. I've been feeling a little bit ugly, so of course that's what I'm going to be doing today. First, obviously. Okay, now I'm ready. We're starting off with the Say Super Glowy Gel. Just leaves your skin looking so unbelievably glowy. Obsessed. Then for the center of my face, I'm going to be taking this Iconic London Velvet Smooth Pore Refining Primer. Okay, for base, I want something very full coverage. This is the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Stromboli. Mix it with a little bit of my Makeup Forever HD Glow Foundation. See how that looks on the skin, because I've never mixed these two foundations together before, so hopefully it looks good. That looks absolutely unreal on the skin. Are you joking me? It made my skin look like a little porcelain doll. Recently discovered this concealer and it is so good. It's the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. Take this flat top brush with a bit of the concealer. Carve out my eyebrow. I have not carved out an eyebrow in a very, very long time and it is so satisfying. I know it looks quite crazy right now, but don't worry, it will look good. The concealer on my concealer brush and I'm just gonna pop that underneath my eye. Pop that on my chin and then a little bit on my forehead. Okay, we're looking very bright. We need to bring back some colour, clearly. Love cream contour over here, and especially this Milk Sculpt stick. This is in the shade Baked. Working her into the back of your hand is going to be like your best friend and make this look absolutely seamless. Keep it absolutely directed to where you want this, because as soon as you start dragging it down, your face is going to drag down basically. Like a snatched baddie look, obviously I need to do the nose contour very well. Okay, my favourite palette, let's do some blush. I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Happy Blush today. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my Iconic London liquid highlighter. I'm so ready to get this on my face. Dip my brush into it. Let's get it on the cheeks. Look at that. Beautiful. What could I say? Just want my under eye to look absolutely unbelievably snatched. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape, that just in the inner corner. Under eye is looking bright, so now we just need to set it. I'm gonna be taking the Hourglass powder. Actually, I want a different shade. Give me a moment. I want the brighter shade. Take my powder puff, pick up some of that product and set underneath my eye. It actually blows me away at how much this blurs your under eye. Look at that. Under eye, where's she gone? Simply, she has disappeared. Just want to bake my under eye just to make it look even better. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. This is in Cherry Blossom. Okay, while we're baking, obviously we're going to do a little bit of bronzer and blush. I'm taking my Haus Labs bronzer. Now we're going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Dolce Pink. Press all of that bake in now. Okay, I'm just going to melt this all together with my Wee Cherie from the Beauty Crop. I'm really hot right now, so that was so refreshing. Finish off the base with a little bit of my Rare Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna take a little brush and dip into that. I pop that on my nose and my inner corner. Literally obsessed with this base. Let's move on to the eye. Got this little YSL Couture clutch. Are you kidding me? How gorgeous does she look? Taking a little fluffy brush, I'm gonna start with this first shade here. I'm gonna pop this all through my crease. Blend it out like a dream. Take this little creamy, delicious shade here. Look how unreal she looks. Just gonna pop that on my eyelid. You know me, anything that sparkles. I'm gonna take the bottom corner shade on a little angled brush, a little smoky winged liner with this. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we're gonna pop on some mascara. Ow! Oh, I just clipped my eye. If you know the pain, you know. Debating whether to do an eyelash or not. I'm taking my Lancome Idol Mascara, aka one of the best mascaras to walk this planet. Decided I'm going to do a lash because this is a full glam, so obviously we have to do a lash. I'm going to take the Claudia Kilsby lash in style HL1. They're just a little 3/4 lash. I'm just going to wait for the lashes to dry before I stick them on. So we're going to do the lip. Take my Rimmel lip liner in the shade Cappuccino. First, this needs a serious sharpen. I'm just going to line my lips with this, that brown lip liner. I love it. This is the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Hope. I think this is going to be the perfect center lip colour. Was I right? Or was I right? Love that so much. Right, let's finish off by sticking on these eyelashes. Lashes took a ridiculously long time to put on. Actually, I'm so glad I put them on because I think it finished off the makeup look so perfectly. And here's the final look. I'm genuinely obsessed. I feel so cute, so snatched and glowy. I love. Thanks for sitting here and watching me play with some makeup. I'm off now. Love you. Bye.